the Ndebele economy. Before they got into Zimbabwe, Mzilikazi and his people had an economic livelihood. Even as they got into Zimbabwe, they continued to live, especially on their environment. The Ndebele, as we said before, were cattle keepers. These cattle were a source of food. They were also a source of hides and milk, which was a very important aspect of the Ndebele diet. The cattle were also a status symbol, and they also used it for trade. The Ndebele people also grew various crops, especially the traditional crops such as sorghum, millet, rapoko, groundnuts, as well as melons. And later, due to contacts with the Portuguese, they began to grow tobacco, the citrus fruits, and some maize. Apart from growing crops and keeping cattle, the Ndebele also got their livelihood from raiding. They raided neighbors and got grain, cattle, young boys and men, young boys, young women, and any other thing that could be gotten through raiding. For the royal class, the kings, and those are the people in power, tribute brought them a lot of wealth. People paid tribute to the kings as a sign of allegiance and respect. And this was an important economic activity, especially for the royal family, because it brought them a lot of wealth. They also practiced the fishing, hunting and gathering, blacksmithing, carving of wood, and other activities. The Ndebele economy was such that they lived purely on it. They lived on their environment, as I've said. So they were in an area that had an environment which could provide for them. They could also even mine. The area where they stayed had minerals. Hence, the Ndebele economy was so strong that the state survived fully and everyone was well provided for because they were able to benefit from what their environment could provide for them fully. Thank you.